What's up guys, welcome back to Lofty.Ai Chronicles. In this video we're gonna be reviewing my infamous portfolio. This one I've been investing $10 every single day for the past 218 days. So that means that should be around 7 months, over 7 months. It feels like I started just yesterday. But basically the goal with this portfolio is following a strategy that has been working for years, not only for me, but for many people, which is DCAing, dollar cost averaging, which means purchasing no matter what. If the market is up, you purchase. If the market is down, you purchase. I am going to this extreme and I am purchasing $10 every single day, but usually DCAing is once a week or maybe twice a month. I would say that is the most famous strategy, which is 4 times a month or twice a month. But in my side, I am doing it every single day. I am purchasing $10 worth of crypto every single day, and the goal with this portfolio is to wait for 2025 because I think, based on the information that I have, I think that would be for the next bull run. So the goal here is to continue increase my holdings, investing $10 every single day and sell nothing until 2025. So here I'm gonna show you my updates, how much money I have invested, what are my position, how much money I've made, how much money I've lost. Of course, all of these are unrealized profit because I haven't sold any of my coins, and I will wait until 2025 to do so. So basically I started this a few months ago, 7 months ago. I'm investing $10 a day every single day just because I do like the process of waking up, looking at my portfolio, seeing where I could be investing $10 that day, which coins are down that day. So depending if one is down 3% and the other one is down 5%, most likely I would go to the one that is down 5% depending on the holdings that I have. So if I have too much, let's say for example on Ethereum, then I would switch to another one. Basically that's the goal. I still have until 2025, which is what, 24 months more or less. So I still have 24 months to continue DCAing $10 every day. Per month, that would be $300. So in total, I guess I should be investing around 7K in total. And right now I have 2.1K invested. So by the end of the bear market, I should have invested around $10,000. And my goal here is to hit at least 10x. I know it is completely doable. I've done my math. Of course, for me, this is not financial advice, but basically for my understanding, for the time that I've been in crypto, I do think that hitting a 10x on this portfolio is completely achievable. So let's take a look here on how much money I have made or how much money I have invested. Let's see. So as you guys can see, I have invested in total 2.1K, almost 2.2K in total. My performance is negative 0.18. Of course, that is because I have been invested again every single day. And this is the first time, to be honest, that my performance is negative under double digits, because last week I was down 20%. So after the rally, you guys can see that I am down only $4. So which is good. I am okay with that. Even having a negative balance of 20%, I am still okay with that, knowing that I am not gonna be selling. So I still have that portfolio till 2025. So I have more than enough time to recover. Let's see here. So if I check 12 months, let's see if this thing can load, hopefully one day. Okay, let's see. So first day was around June 26th, June 25th, more or less, was my first position. Some of the coins that I am holding is BTC. You guys can see that I hold 23% of my portfolio is BTC. Ethereum is 32%, almost 33%. We have Matic, which is 11%. Then we have Near Protocol at 7%. AVAX 7% also. DYDX at almost 6%. Algo almost 4%, 3.89. BNB 2%. Ref Finance, which is a project that I love a lot, 2%. OP 1.75%. Sol 1%, and GMX 1%. So let's take a look at each one of them. So we have Ethereum here. The current price is 1.5K. My total value is $718. My quantity is almost half an Ethereum, which is amazing. Average buy is at 1.4K, so I have an unrealized profit of $47. Bitcoin, same here. I have a quantity of 0.024, total value $500. Average buy is just right under 19K, and I have an unrealized profit of $46. We have Matic, which is almost at $1. I am holding 250 Matics. I have, let's see, average buy at 80 cents, then unrealized profit 49, and the list goes on and on and on. So my expectation for each one of these projects is for me to at least hit the all-time high again. Okay, I know that this is probably not the best strategy. I do know that some of the coins die in the bear market, and most of them do not reach their all-time high again. But if they do survive the bear market, if we do have some people using it and they continue to build, most likely they can break the previous all-time high. So as you can see, we have Ethereum. If we look at here, we have 200% to go to the all-time high again. So that would be a 2x. We have Bitcoin, which is 2x again. Matic, almost 2x. Near Protocol, 8x, which is amazing. AVAX, almost 8x, 7.88, 83. Then we have DYDX, 17x, I'm sorry, which is another project that I like a lot because they are building a blockchain for DYDX. So what I'm saying is that if they do, this thing can probably kick some asses here. I would say maybe killing GMX and coming on top of GMX. Right now, also DYDX have a lot more volume than GMX. I do know that people love GMX, but to be honest, numbers are numbers. If you go and look at DYDX has more trading volume than GMX. So that's something to take into consideration. And if they build the blockchain, oh God, this thing will pump a lot. Next, we have Algorand. I do love that project. We almost have a 30x to go to the all-time high. We have BNB, which is only 131% to go to the all-time high. We have Ref Finance. This is a project that I love a lot. I do have a YouTube video on it, so you can check it out, which is a in-depth review of the project. But basically, Ref Finance is the main DEX on Near Protocol. Okay, so if Near Protocol survive, that means there will be people trading, swapping coins on Near Protocol. And where you do it? Well, on Ref Finance. Ref Finance, even with the bear market, they're pulling out like $3 to $5 million in trading every day. And take into consideration that Near Protocol is not a project that a lot of people uses. Like when you make, of course, the comparison to AVAX, to Matic, and for example, BNB, BSC, right? So having $5 million, $3 million every single day, that is crazy. Just imagine how much money they will be trading for 2025, if Near Protocol continue to be here. Then we have OP, another project that I love. I just made a YouTube video on this project. My previous video is from OP, an in-depth review. I am loving this project. I'm only holding 21 OP. So I bought it at 93 cents. And as you can see, it is already at 1.78 cents. So my profit is $18, of course, unrealized profit. But if this thing goes down to $1, I'm going to be buying a lot of it. Then we have Solana. That is a project that I am not really interested in anymore, to be honest. I think there is way too much fraud on Solana. I've used the blockchain for a while. It is good, but usually we get those crazy downward time, which is something that I do not like, because having Solana down for 1 day, 2 days, 48 hours, 24 hours, that is a lot of time in DeFi. That is a lot of time in crypto. So I am really 50-50 on Solana, not a project that I feel comfortable to continue to invest, at least for now. If I have my $10 every day, I would rather invest it into OP, into Ref Finance, DYDX, Matic, BTC, or Ethereum. So yeah, my money is limited, so I cannot be purchasing all the coins that I see. So for now, Solana is a no for me. Then lastly, we have GMX, which I purchased almost half of a GMX for 20, let's see, my average buy was at 46. That would be around $22 that I spent on GMX, more or less, a little bit less than that, $20. So in profit, I am at 1.57 cents, $1.57. So yeah, so basically this is the updates on the portfolio. I do have some other portfolios that I am building, which have some different strategies. Later on, I'm going to be making some videos on them, but I just started making those portfolios, so I do need to wait some time to have more transaction on them. But basically, this is the goal with this thing. I am seeing a 10x completely possible if you mix all these all-time high together. 10x, 15x, even 25x. If I continue to add smaller project, I think it is completely possible. But at least at a bare minimum, what I want to do is invest $10,000 and make it a 10x on this portfolio. So basically here my goal is to make 100x on this, and I do think it is possible. Okay, so this is the update on the portfolio. Let me know in the comment section which coins do you think will pop in 2025. Not this year, not next year. This is not something that I'm interested in, but for 2025, because we have enough time to be purchasing, enough time to be allocating some money. And again, this is why I'm just using $10 a day, because if I do start with $100 per day, if I do start with $50 per day, yeah, I can do it for sure. I can do $50 per day. But if something happens, if I do have some type of emergencies, then I do need to stop that project. I do need to stop investing in that portfolio if I do have some other responsibilities. So for me, $10 per day is something that I can manage no matter what is happening in my life. I do know that $10 at the bare minimum is completely possible. Maybe for you, $10 is too much, or maybe $10 is too little. So give it a try. Of course, do your research before trying DCAing, and see what works for you. Again, do not invest more than you can lose. At least for me, $300 per month. If I lose it, yes, I'm going to be mad. Yes, I'm going to be angry, but at least $300 is not going to change my life. I'm not going to be losing my house for $300. Okay? So, as always, thank you so much for watching. If you do like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Talk to you later.